Do you like quests and trivia games? Let's play a game in this video. You will need to guess a country where I am traveling on a motorcycle right now. See if you can figure it out. Let's go! There are 14,000 islands in this country, but only a few hundred are actually inhabited. So there are a lot of small secret islands that nobody really sees. Trains are a huge part of life here. In fact, a train company once apologized for departing the station a few seconds early. Punctuality is that serious. And by the way, the only one time I saw people honking here, it's called honking, right? When there is like loud noise on the car, I don't know. In Russian it's gudetь. The only one time I saw people honking here was to say thank you that I let them pass. No single honk other than that throughout the whole trip. Which country is that? There are cat islands. There are several small islands where there are more cats than humans, and cats basically run the place. You can ski on volcanoes in this country. Sometimes you ski near fumaroles. Imagine skiing down with the steam rising all around you. It's like in a movie. As you might already guess, this is Pacific Ocean behind me, and if I could see the other side of the ocean, like the other shore, somewhere there would be Oregon and my home on Mount Hood. Let me know if you recognized which country I'm currently traveling in. And if you enjoyed this video, you might also like my Guatemala and Mexico adventures. Links are on your screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.